Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about oversubscription of shares. Now, first of all, we should know the meaning of oversubscription of shares. It means when number of shares applied are more than shares to be allotted. Like a company has invited applications for issuing 1 lakh shares, but the company has got applications of 2 lakh shares, then it will be termed as the oversubscription of shares. Now, in case of oversubscription, three options are available to the company. First one, it can reject the excess applications and make full allotment to the remaining, and whatever applications are rejected, their application money will be refunded. Second option, company does not reject any application. Instead, it makes pro rata allotment to all. That means allotment on the proportionate basis. Like company has received applications of 2 lakh shares, but the issue consists of how many shares? 1 lakh. That means for every 2 shares applied, how many shares you will get? You will get only 1 share. So if you have applied for 1000 shares, you will get allotment of 500 shares. And third option, company can use a combination of 1 and 2. That means reject some applications, make full allotment to some, and pro rata allotment to the remaining. Let us discuss how will these points be treated while passing the journal entries. This is our first example. X Limited decided to issue 75,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. The amount was payable as under: on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment rupees 5 per share, and balance on call. So how much amount is called? 11, 3 on application, 5 on allotment. That means balance amount to be received on call will be exactly rupees 3 per share. But the company has received applications for 2 lakh shares and excess applications were rejected. All the money due was duly received. You are required to pass journal entries. So our first entry will be bank account debit to share application account. How many applications are you receiving? 2 lakh. And with every application you are receiving 3 per share. That means total amount received will be 2 lakh multiplied by 3. It will be 6 lakh. But what the company is doing, it is rejecting the excess applications. That means applications for 1,25,000 shares will be rejected. And their application money, how much will be the application money? 1,25,000 multiplied by 3, that will be refunded. And application money of 75,000 shares, that will be transferred to the share capital account. So your entry will be share application account debit to share capital account to bank account. I am repeating, how much you have received? 6 lakh. But how much capital is due on 75,000 shares? It is 2,25,000, and balance application money, because the excess applications are rejected, so the balance application money will be refunded. And next entry, you will call the allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. Then you will pass the entry for receiving allotment. Then next entry will be for first call due and the last entry will be for receiving this first and final coal. Now let us make some change in the statement. Now same statement is there. The only difference is, instead of rejecting the excess applications, company is making pro rata allotment to the all. So when this pro rata allotment is made, the excess money received, that is adjusted on the allotment if specified in the question. But in case it is not specified, then excess money will be adjusted only on allotment and the balance will be refunded. First entry will be same, 6 lakh. Then in the second entry you will pass 2,25,000 will be transferred to share capital and 3,75,000 will be transferred to the share allotment. You can see here, total application money that you have received 6 lakh. Out of this you have transferred 2,25,000 to the capital. So excess money that you are having 3,75,000. And how much amount can be adjusted on allotment? Maximum of 3,75,000 and we have balance of 3,75,000. So this whole amount will be adjusted on the allotment. Just see here. So 3,75,000, this is being transferred to the allotment. Then next entry will be for allotment due, share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. Then there will be no entry for receiving allotment. Why? Because total allotment due 3,75,000 already adjusted 3,75,000. So no balance is due to be received on allotment. Next entry, share first and final account debit to share capital, and the last entry will be bank account debit to share first and final coal account. Now the next example, here you have received applications for 2,50,000 shares and pro rata allotment was made to all. Then how will you adjust the excess money? This you have to keep in mind. If it is not mentioned how to utilize excess application money, then it can be utilized only up to allotment and any excess over that will be refunded. Like in this question, first entry will be 2,50,000 shares multiplied by 3, 7,50,000. Out of this, 2,25,000 can be adjusted on capital, 3,75,000 that will be adjusted on allotment. This already I have told you. And balance money, out of this 7,50,000, 6 lakh we are able to adjust and rupees 1,50,000 that will be refunded. Rest of the entries will be same as in the previous question. This is excess money. Out of this, adjusted on allotment 3,75,000. Still you are left with the balance of 1,50,000. How will you treat this amount? Because no information is there in the question, so this excess amount will be refunded. Now, the next question. Suppose in this question they have asked you to adjust this excess amount towards allotment and subsequent calls. Then this 1,50,000 that will not be refunded, that will be adjusted on allotment. And allotment that you require 2,25,000, 3 multiplied by 75,000. But you are having a balance of 1,50,000. So the whole of the balance will be adjusted on the coal. This is how you will pass the entry here. You will open calls in advance account. Then finally share first and final call account debit to share capital account. Bank account debit. Then you will adjust the calls in advance to share first and final call. Out of this 2,25,000, already you have received 1,50,000. So now how much amount will you receive? 75,000. This is how you can treat oversubscription of shares. So the main thing that you have to keep in mind, if the excess applications are rejected, their application money will be refunded. And in case pro rata allotment was made, the excess money will be adjusted on allotment, and if specified in the question, any excess over that will be adjusted on calls. That's all for the day. Next, we will study about oversubscription with calls in arrears. Thank you. Have a great day.